Hey guys, what day is it today?
Day 3!
Yay.
Hello!
And what are we doing?
We're going hiking!
It's an hour
way there. Yes.
Look at the driver. This is Emily, the driver.
Hi.
Distract her, she's driving.
This is our location.
Wow, you're leaking your location now.
And later we're gonna go jet boating and also a rocket. Not a
Hello. Cause you've got that one thing. So get up, get out of my head and fall into my arms instead. My head is so right there.
Wait. Wait.
There's something coming behind me.
Like that, filming like you.
Okay, everyone get in. It's a video, by the way.
Okay, video so actually need to cut it, yeah. Just post it if you want to. Someone...
No, I'm actually gonna fall.
2, 1.
I barely jumped, I had no airtime.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to our vlog. Right now we're in this this hike. We're going to see this river. Huh?
I think you can climb down here. And go down there. You cannot climb this. No, you can. You do want to climb. Oh, I want to go. Oh wait, you can go around, I guess.
I just hold on to everything. I don't care.
Wow, look at this.
Actually, we're like, moo!
That's so beautiful. Imagine just lying down like on the ground, like just walking at like the. Hey guys, right now we're on our second hike. Look at this view. The waterfall's really nice.
You guys are literally team together and do whatever. Oh my god.
Woo!
Bro, why is it so fucking dark?
Hey guys, guess where we're at right now? The jet boating.
Link thumbs.
Okay. You're gonna think we're weird. No, right? Okay.
get across to main beach. It's pretty cool. Got a new little cool place that you can go and it's North Stradbroke Island, and we can go into the Brisbane River by foot. Yeah, awesome. I'm glad you like
That was so fun. I never believe it. Oh my gosh, that's fun.
This is off the jet film.
Oh, set the jet. I'm going for it.
Okay. Oh, so look at your eyelashes still there.
I know, yeah, I'm surprised.
Hey guys, guess where we're at right now? We're going on a helicopter soon.
So fun.
Yeah.
So excited.
Yay. I'm gonna push Krista off. Yes.
Well, guess what? You're not going on the same flight, so...
Yeah.
That's fine.
I look like I'm going for it now. Just had a shower.
There's Kieran in the... Well, you can't even see them in it.
I went to the parks. That was so cool.
Guys, we just finished... Wait, let me zoom out.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
We just finished the helicopter ride. It was so cool.
Good. I loved it. It was
So
really
good.
nice.
Yeah, and we got the
just
photo.
so pretty and aesthetic, everything.
And we went at
the
such a good
sunset,
time.
like,
We
look at
went
it.
at such a good time.
Yeah,
The
like-
sun setting.
I know. Imagine if it was like,
Oh, so good.
like the other day when the lighthouse. Imagine
Yeah,
that. Oh, it would be so
because it's a bit
nice.
cloudy today, but
Yeah, but it was still beautiful weather. Like so good. We really did come at a good time. Like the
everything is such good timing.
captain said.
Just not. Oh. Yeah.
He didn't really look up at Kieran yet.
Yeah, you came to me and said, oh, maybe I saw some weekend. And then when you realise.
First time Brisbane, mate.
Thank you.
And then later on
What's up, bro?
What's that? Mayo?
I don't know, it's sweet as. It's like yum. It's not mayo, it's like Asian stuff. Oh, man. Like, do you want it like in your face? That's okay, it's like that. You know what I mean? It's oddly sweet.
I thought she would have introduced.